So Peter asks, because I made a comment earlier, what does another expression of the market mean? And I think that's kind of, we'll call that we'll call that a Mike phrase, if you will. I don't know that anybody else calls it that, but basically my interpretation is that you're going to get different types of returns depending on what kind of exposures you buy. And by an exposure, I mean different types of asset classes, different types of instruments, different types of ETFs or stocks, or you might fold in bonds, or maybe you have futures in there somewhere. But the expression of the market is basically your way to expose yourself to the risks of that market, and that might include multiple markets. It could be the U.S. market, it could be emerging markets, it could be the crypto asset class, which is more of a global context. And that exposure, I think, gives you a different type of return stream, or what I would refer to as an expression of the market. Because if you're looking at the whole market as a in totality, there's really not a trade that I can think of that gives you the entire market, right? Like the whole treasuries and different currencies and different cryptocurrency, all the cryptocurrencies, all the ETFs, all the emerging market ETFs, and so on and so forth. It is, if you were to wrap all that up together, it'd be very interesting to see what the returns, the equity of that would be. By the way, is it really stable? If you buy the whole world, is that a really stable return? So I guess my interpretation of expression of the market means what you're personally filtering down to, because that often is what trading and investing is basically eliminating what you don't want to trade and own, and just getting to the things that you care about most. For me, I care about tech stocks. I like XLK. I like NASDAQ futures. I like holding the SPY. And sometimes I'll do some hand-picked stocks. But that means I'm ignoring 90% of the rest of the market. And that is my expression of the market.
Excellent. Yeah, Peter says that's a good Mikeism. We'll accept it.
Perfect.